My name is Christopher. So what else do you need to know? Stuff about my family or where I'm from? None of that matters. Not once you cross the ocean and cut yourself loose, looking for something more beautiful, something more exciting, and yes, I may admit, something more dangerous. So after 18 hours in the back of an airplane, 3 dumb movies, 2.5 plastic meals, 6 beers, and absolutely no sleep, I have finally touched down.
This
One more, Bruce Lee.
this video.
Oh.
Yeah, this video.
Okay. Pizza. It's the last day. You got the ice cream, the chocolate, the whipped cream.
Of course you feel me while I'm eating it full of chocolate. So what's up?
Gotta catch you in the rawest moments, right? So how was your experience how was your first experience of Thailand?
Craziest time of my life. Probably really don't want to go back to Germany. Don't want to go back to work. Just find a job here, work here, live here. Everything is just better because of society. Like it works better because people are just fucking people and are just kind to one another. And not like in Europe where everybody has everything and is spoiled to death, but the people just hate themselves. And so it's not a good community. Here's, I think, the nicest community I've ever been in my entire life. Literally crazy. From the gym to the restaurants to everywhere, bro. Every place we went, like, it was bonkers.
And as I was trying to say to you earlier, you barely even touched the surface of Thailand.
Yes,
you
bro.
barely left this block, barely left this neighborhood.
That was fucking...
But it's
Nick
alright.
Stifler said that, yes,
It's
yes.
alright though. You know, my first trip, same thing, man. I barely left my block, and if it wasn't for the girl that was taking me on her bike, I wouldn't have left. So
Yes, but still. Fucking hell,
I
like,
get it.
even the street that you took me on,
You
like
know.
with the viewing point, I was like...
I tried to get
wow.
you out for at least an hour today, but you weren't biting.
No, I wasn't biting, bro. I had to make my peace with the gym, bro. I was so fucking emotional. I almost cried, bro.
Man. Wait till you get on the plane. That's when it's gonna hurt the most. I'll tell you right now, it's gonna be a delayed reaction. So,
Bro, we'll go nuts. They have to call security.
how did you enjoy BMT?
Bro, honestly, I thought it would be good. I thought it would be great, but I never thought like it would be that great. Actually, never thought it would be that great. That high level of fighters, that high level of people. I knew that it was high level, but I didn't think about it as like. I never thought that the people who are there actually take the time. For average Joes like me, like George Hickman just gave me a lot of advice. It's crazy. He just takes his time. He's a busy guy all over the place, but he just takes time for everybody who has a question. Alex, the BJJ trainer, you know.
Shields, Alex Shields.
Alex Shields is like, bro, slickest guy I've ever seen. Wearing a gi and wearing not a gi, it's just like, he taught me so much. This 1 week I learned so many things. It's crazy. I got hooked onto jiu-jitsu because of him.
He made you fall in love with jits again.
Yes, because of his teachings, you know, because he's such a chill guy and he explains things good. He has a very technical approach, and I love that. And because it's a difference in striking. All the Muay Thai coaches, from Luke to fucking Beer, all these guys are such savages, you know. First day when I went there, I was like pushing myself. I was like, fuck, this is so hard because of the climate. Then I had pads, and Luke asked me like, you want to fight? And I was like, fuck yeah, I want to fight, but unfortunately I'm only 17 days here. And then he said, yeah, we need a little more time. So next time I'm going here, I want to fight more time. Or compete in a jiu-jitsu tournament or whatever, you know, just like white belt shit or white belt shit. And then, you know, Peter like...
I mean, you could always take a boxing fight too, you know.
That's for sure. Amateur boxing, why not? Maybe try it in Germany. Few amateur boxing fights.
I'm saying here, boxing here. Just boxing.
Just boxing here?
You can?
I could do that, yes. I'm so stoked when I come back here because probably by that time the construction site will be almost finished, I bet. Like, these guys work so hard. I've seen that. It's crazy because you train and the music is super loud, and then you see like the kettlebell class coach, Peter. Awesome guy. He helped me so much with my with money. Helped me because Germany didn't get my credit card ready in time, so only came with cash. And once the cash ran out, I was like kind of a, oh fuck, how do I manage this? I have PayPal, but nobody here like no. And then Peter, he recommended the Wise app to me, and I wrote it down, just put my money from PayPal there, sent it to him, and he was just like next day bringing me this cash, and I was like, if that wouldn't be the case, I would have been fucking stranded, you know. That's what I mean. These people, they don't owe you nothing. They're just kind. It's crazy.
Peter helped me out with money too back in 2020. I lost my debit card and he made sure I didn't pay him for 2 or 3 weeks, and then when I got my money I paid him all up front and he was totally cool about it.
Yes.
But anyway, on final thoughts. If you could just sum up your experience in 1 or 2 words, what would it be?
Go to Thailand. For everybody who wants to fight, go to Thailand. For everybody who wants to live, go to Thailand. For everybody who wants to see another culture, go to Thailand. For everybody who wants to see good society and not fucked up society where everybody has everything. For everybody who wants to get a little humble, go to Thailand. It's crazy. I've seen so much here, from the floods to the nice weather to the beach to the people. It's fucking fire. Highly recommend it.
And for the people out there, just tell them your name, tell them where you're from, where they can find you back in Germany.
Bro, my name is TIZANO. I'm from Germany, from Nuremberg, and my Instagram.
Oh no, your age, 27, whatever.
My age is like 27 years.
27. If you drop your Instagram, if you want, go ahead.
My Instagram is like Tiziano Kern, just a guy with a smooth black and white picture. That's me.
Oh man.
Nice.
Thank
you so much, brother. It's been a fucking pleasure, Winston. The man. Kap Kung Kap.
You see this video in the future, my bro, alright?
That would be crazy.
I'll let you know when it's up.
Fucking hell.
Enjoy your ice cream, alright?
Will
Got a
it?
big flight coming. Got some garlic fried shrimp and stir mixed vegetables, some fried chicken and some watermelon. It's cost me about, I think, 180, or that could be 80 as well. I forgot, but less than 300 for everything. A lot of I heard a lot of the people from Bangkok Muay Thai come here. I know that from buddy Tim, and I can see why. Good prices, good food. I know that's good. But yeah, fire, chill land, about less than a mile from Bangkok, 3/4 of a mile. Actually, there's a shortcut here, so it's about a half mile. But this is a great date spot. You know, you can come have a nice dinner, have a nice meal, go out, have some drinks, go dancing, all within a little, I don't know, 1/4 mile, little vicinity, maybe a little half mile vicinity, not even. But today was just a solid day, just training in the morning, and then I went running about 2 hours after that, not even, maybe about fucking 6 to 8K. And I gotta poop right now, so I'm not gonna spend too much time here, but the market has everything I need and more. And I was going all the way to Robinson's, which is like 2 or 3 times the distance. This is where we at right now. Weed Cannabis, Boat Avenue. Not really, this is kind of like the little back area, but beyond these houses is where all the action is. This is kind of like in the corner, and you know, I can't drive past one of these right here in the spot and not stop. There was a dude sitting right here, and I was asking him how good was the product. He was like, oh, that's great. But I hear that from everybody, so yep, on to the next. So I was very wrong about where I thought this club was, but I think it's over here, and we're gonna go take a walk by. But I just want to give you guys a little look. There's so many different cultures of food here, and I guarantee you all of them are banging. So you got right here, we got, this is like, I'm just gonna start at one of the ends of the strip, and we're just gonna walk and talk.
So everything, bike shop. Okay, so it's I don't know what that is, but it might be Italian. Not sure. Hey, for YouTube, my friends, YouTube, sabadi mai. Hey. Hello, my friends, sabadi mai, sabadi mai. Sabadi krap. Captain's bar. So, people just want to talk. They see a camera, they just want to be on it sometimes. Let this guy go. Oh, he's going straight. Alright, so right here, I believe, this blue building is this club. And I thought it was something else. I don't know where I was at last time, but this was very close to the crib. It's like 2 miles from Bang Tao Muay Thai. Right, all of this. This is a nice little district. Super nice. Sabadi mai, sabadi krap. Sabadi mai, by the way, means how are you? I believe, if I'm saying that right. Sabadi mai. Oh man, I got a story to tell about last night. Last night I was in the bar and 2 policemen came in and you know, kind of started talking to me like right away almost. And they took all my information, took my phone number. So I can ask where I was staying, took a picture of me with them, and like luckily I was dead sober, not a single ounce of alcohol in me, so I really wasn't too worried. And it was a birthday party at the bar, lady bar next to my house. So I just went to I bought them a gift. I bought them some bottles of liquor, and then as like a present to try to save money instead of buying them rounds of drinks, which would have cost me triple. So I tried to take the cheap way out. But yeah, fucking. Then I noticed they did it to like 3 or 4 other people, but like when they first came up, I was talking Thai to them a little bit. I was like, oh, sorry cops, sabadi mai, and then they responded, and then they're like, oh, you speak Thai, and I was like, no, a little bit, and it just went on. And luckily I have the respect of the girls there, so they're not going to say nothing bad, because they could easily just give them a glance of the eye, and I'd be in some shit. You know what I mean? But that's how they work. They're all friends. Everybody knows everybody. Just don't think people don't know each other. Get out of here. I was just come here. I was just talking about them. This is them. Say hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Can I come?
Come where?
Bar ngày Lion này.
Lion Red?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing here?
Oh, I come to take train. Yeah, take train.
Ah.
Yeah, they go or you buy.
Just
something.
from here. Just like stupid stuff.
Oh.
Sure. But this place is fucking awesome.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
But oh, you know,
That-
many car busy.
Yeah, but big money, nice food. Is that XO Club over there?
Yeah. อันนี้ market Friday big market.
Ah.
You been?
No.
No.
Over here?
Yeah.
Friday night.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Friday.
I'm coming Friday.
Okay, Friday big market and food have all food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kun Kit, thank you.
Yeah.
Kun Kap.
Oh, remember.
How you guys feeling, by the way, today? How do you feel?
Huh?
You good? What?
Yeah, okay.
Put-
Oh, headache.
What?
mad.
Headache?
Because the drunk tequila many shot.
Oh, what time you go home?
Oh, I go party XO tàu.
Oh, you went XO last
Yeah,
night?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Morning 4-5 o'clock.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh.
YouTube, say hello.
Hello.
Kun Kik, Kun Kap.
Yeah.
You know, I was just talking about you guys on the camera.
Yeah, okay, see you tonight.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
Bye.
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 Drive safe.
ใส่นาง
Okay? Drive slowly but quickly.
Okay.
Take care. That is too fucking funny. That's 2 days in a row now. Like I've seen, the other day I was running and I saw 3 of the other ones on the bike, like on the main road. And like, you know what? It's like this is what I like about this area. If you start to get kind of connected and rooted in, you know, you start seeing people over and over again, and that's what's like reminds me of Fitness Street in Shillong, you know, because you're forced to see people over there. But here you're not really forced because there's so many different directions to go in. So at the same time, you just got to go in a bunch of directions, and then you'll start to see different people and make, you know, start talking and everything be gravy. You know, I think I hold up this GoPro and people think like I'm a YouTube star, but I'm not, but I will be one day. So hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah. So the main road is that way, and then my back roads are that way, which is fucking dope. Get to the Iron Horse, let's hit the road. I'm at Surin Beach, and there's the beach behind me. We're gonna go grab a dragon fruit shake and watch the sunset alone and be romantic by ourselves, because we don't have any girlfriends in our lives. Sawadee Kap. Sabay di mai. Can I please have a dragon fruit shake?
Yeah.
Chai. Kap.
One shake na?
Chai. No.
Would you like suka or not?
Little noy.
Okay.
Little bit. Well, here's to not having a dragon fruit shake. It was a mixed fruit shake. I was watching her make it. She was adding a whole bunch of fruit. I'm like, that's not dragon fruit. It's like pineapples and all stuff. But anyway, extra 20, 70 baht rather than 50. But, you know, scenery makes it worth it. Don't know what's next. Just gonna enjoy this for a little bit. Ui. guys, this is Surin Beach. Surin. Not much light, but what can you do? Almost dropped the bike in the sand. What a dummy. Maybe I should hold on. YouTube.
Lục Vĩ, phải chuối. Khả năng đây đó. Mày không đô khát cái này lắm non. Không đô khát cái này lắm. Đi. Đánh.
So my friends right here, Mr. Finn, Kun Mr. Finn, Kun Kassen, Hui, Boom, not Boom Boom, and Bao. These guys take care of me. They just gave me water. We share. We friends. We homies now, right? Hey, Mr. Finn. And where's the other guy? What's the other guy's name?
What?
What's the other? Isn't there somebody else? Another.
From Bang Thau area.
No. Another man.
Another man not coming.
Oh, he's not here
Not
today.
today, yeah, not
he
here
usually
today.
sit right here.
Yes.
Yeah.
not
Okay.
today,
What's
yeah.
his name? Kunchurai.
I don't know. Many for the sit here. Many sit here from the Mr. Nui, Mr. Many.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll catch him later.
You look again.
Yeah,
For
we'll
the-
look again.
Coming for tomorrow. He's coming for the run number. Yeah, for the here.
Okay.
Run number for one day. For tomorrow he's coming again.
Well, these guys are here every day. I'm here every day. Might as well be friends, right?
How long stay?
2 months.
2 months.
Making a decision today. I'm gonna go exploring to KATHU Waterfalls. Never been there before. It's about a 40-minute drive, about, I don't know, 14 miles, maybe no, 14 miles, I think 6 kilometers, something like that. But yeah, hopefully the weather stays on our side, and we'll see what happens. Either we're gonna be in for a shit show, because I kind of got to take a shit already and got to take a poop, and I should have done it before I left the gym, but I didn't, like a dummy. So that's another thing you got to consider here in Thailand, is poop priority. Keep your poops a priority. If you skip on a poop, it could be the end of your life. Anyway, I don't think we're gonna make it to KATHU Waterfalls today. I can see the clouds coming. I should have hightailed, I should have U-turned it back, but I'm gonna take shelter, see if it passes, see what happens. going up towards Patong. And I wasn't gonna, I have my rain suit in the bike, but I'll just wait it out for a few minutes to see what happens. Again, roll with it. Well, it rained out. Taking shelter, gonna have some breakfast. I don't know if we can make it to the waterfall today unless this rain completely stops. I'm close enough. I'm within a few miles. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what breakfast looks like. And yeah, on to the next. I think I'm gonna have to buy some flip-flops and I do have a pair of shorts, but because my shoes and jeans are already soaking wet, and yeah, it's just might as well just get wet if you're driving in the rain instead of try to avoid it as much. You know, you got your coat on, and then that's all you can really do. But what the rain looks like. At this restaurant here. Poached eggs, potatoes, ham, bacon, sausage, toast, coffee, juice, 190 baht. Probably won't eat all this toast. I'm losing my six-pack from all these carbs. It's fucking killing me. Might have one piece. Other than that, it's so hard not to eat the bread though. Oh man. Waterfalls for me today. Looks like I got my waterfall right here and river. This is Patong right now. Looks like the ocean. There's no way I'm driving through this. Oh wait. Beautiful. Beautiful flood. Got balls. I've done this before, huh? I really needed some sandals. Yeah, this is the madness right now. I don't know what's going on. Some cars are being brave, some bikes are being brave, and they're going through that river over there. It's like right at this little intersection. You can see there's like a break. But yeah, luckily the restaurant I was at had a nice bathroom where I could poop. So now I'm the poop priority has been handled, taken care of. Now it's just take it in, absorb, learn. If you see it's raining, don't head towards Patong. Lesson learned. Turn around. Fucking Winston Volk. Never a fucking dull moment here, huh? I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. You can see the water's almost coming over the curb here. And over there it is coming over the curb. Jesus. Look at that. Holy shit. Holy shit. All you can really do is smoke a cigarette and just chill out and just, I don't know. I don't know what to do on the bikes. Because the only way you can get out of here is to go that way or that way. Because this is a one-way street. You can't just turn around. It's probably backed all the way up back there. I guarantee you it's backed up for like fucking an hour back there. Because this is gridlock traffic. Straight up. And I'm at the front of the line. And that's how you ruin your suspension, my friends. Just driving straight into curbs. You can't be doing shit like that. What the hell is this guy doing in the red truck, huh? Look, if you could see this guy up there, I don't know if you could see, but there's a guy standing in the middle of the road. He's